Welcome back to the Power-Based Tutorial Series. I am Josue Yen with the Progressive Technology Project, and today we're going to look at duplicates, merging, and the rules that guide that process. And so under Contacts, we open up Find and Merge Duplicate Contacts, and what we see is a set of rules. We're going to add a rule for individuals. And so here is a new rule, and level, fuzzy and strict, really are just two categories. And the database uses the default fuzzy rule when looking for duplicates that are entered through profiles, and uses the strict default rule when evaluating importing of data. Yeah, so let's go ahead and set up a fuzzy rule that we will try out, and let's identify first name and last name and phone number and street address as the options. Now, the weight, if we say that 20 points is what is required for the database to identify a duplicate, then we need to give appropriate weights to these different fields so that we accurately identify a duplicate. So for example, if we say that first name and last name are worth 8 points, that means that we need an additional 4 points to be able to get a duplicate. And so we make phone 4 and we make street address 4. This means that only if the first name, last name, and phone number match, or first name, last name, and street address match, would we have a duplicate. Additionally, I like to use the length field for street address, trying to stop the duplicate checking before it gets to street or avenue or boulevard, where it is more likely that people have entered different variations. ST period versus ST versus STR. EET would cause the database to see different addresses. If we stop checking after a certain length, then we have a shot at ignoring that discrepancy. And so we save this, and now we have a new rule that we can use.